Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new completion and review video. This is a pretty little snowflake ornament that I made. Now these were supposed to be earrings, but they're huge, right? I found this pattern online on YouTube. It is by Adishka Crafts. Adishka Crafts, I'll put the link below, for snowflake earrings, crochet snowflake earrings, an easy step-by-step tutorial. And what I really liked about this is it showed how to add the beads. Now I have added beads to crochet before, but I don't do it often, so I forget how to do it, so I always need a tutorial to remind me. So as you can see, this has not been stiffened in any way yet. It has to still be stiffened. This is Christmas Eve as I'm recording this. This is December the 23rd in the evening, and I finished these last night, but I've been so busy, you guys. I haven't had a chance to harden these, and I can't use starch because my asthma doesn't like starch. So I think I'm just going to use a mixture of white glue and water to stiffen these. All the other Christmas decorations before, I used to use a sugar mixture, like boiling sugar water. But that's not that great. It doesn't stay stiff for very long. So I'm going to try the white glue mixed with water method, see how that works. But they're so pretty before they're stiffened. I just wanted to show you. And actually, this could go on the tree just the way it is. It doesn't really need to be stiffened. I tend to crochet pretty stiffly when I'm making these ornaments. But I used size 3 crochet thread. So that's why it's so big. The lady in the video must have used a smaller crochet thread. But I'm very happy with how this turned out. Now, because that was way too big, I tried another ornament. This was also supposed to be an earring, and I can't remember which pattern I followed for this one. But anyway, it's still too big. I guess it could be a big earring, and it's a very nice pattern. So I just made this to be another ornament for the tree. My mom has lots of white ones, but she doesn't have any blue ones. I didn't bother to put the beads because this was more of a test than anything. And once this is stiffened, it will be really pretty. And all snowflakes are supposed to be different. And then I tried another one. And they were small enough to turn into earrings. And I found this pattern on Ravelry. And let me think if I can remember who. This is by Irangi Udashika. Irangi Udashika, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's who I followed for this one. And I really think they're cute, and they were small enough to turn into earrings, and I really like them. So I made this set of earrings for my mom because she loves this color blue. And then because even though this was a beautiful pattern, it was very full. I wanted it more like loose like this one. So I just made up a pattern. And I put together elements of the first one where I added the beads. But I just made this one up. So, and I did this one in blue and white. And this one, these are going to be earrings for me. And these ones definitely need to be stiffened because I was just making it up as I went, and I was not crocheting stiffly because I was writing everything down. It's like I kept having to put my hook down. So these are also tests, but I think they're really pretty. I really like them. So I'm going to try to stiffen all of these tonight. And to stiffen them, like I said, I'm just going to mix white glue with some water. I think it's supposed to be 1 part white glue to 2 parts water, I read somewhere. And then I think I'm just going to brush the backs of them with like a cheap brush that I got from the dollar store. And I'm not going to do the fronts. But I'm going to saturate it. And then I'm going to put them down on a towel, and I'm going to use pins to shape it. So I'll just use pins to hold out all the outer edges the way I want them to go. And then by tomorrow, they should be nice and stiff and ready to be packed up. So there we have it. We have 2 pairs of earrings and 2 little ornaments. And I really like the way this ornament came out. It's so pretty. I'll probably make a few more of these next year for my mom, because she loves her crocheted snowflake ornaments. She has like a bunch of them on the tree, and that's a really nice size. All right, so that is it for these. Let me just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see them better. And actually, I'm going to move these. Okay, so these are so pretty. I really like them. And I think they're going to be really nice when they're stiffened. And if I have a chance, I'll do a video when they're stiff to show you the difference. Or I'll try to edit it onto the end of this video. So, it depends. I'm just so busy, and tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and we have a bunch of family coming on Christmas Eve. My best friend's also coming to town. So, I don't know how much I'll have time to do. Like, I won't probably have much time because I still have to wrap all my gifts and everything. So anyway, that is it, you guys. I hope you like this. If you did, I'm really happy with the pattern for this one. This is the pattern on YouTube. And this pattern on Ravelry was also very good. And I'm really happy with just the pattern that I made up too. I just kind of adapted it so it wasn't as busy as it gets full as this one. Like, that's a nice size. This is a beautiful one. But I wanted more holes. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all ready for Christmas too. Of course, by the time you see this, Christmas will be over. We'll be well into the new year. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And most importantly, did I say if you like this? I don't know. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help me as a channel. And look at my pretty Christmas nails. I redid them. This is my favorite one. And I'm just babbling now. So anyway, guys, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye, guys.